নমস্কার, আমি লালিয়া দত্তগুপ্ত। আজকে সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার এপিসোড নাম্বার 106 আর আজকের এপিসোড ইজ অন lovely handlooms and solid and weaving sarees along with designer blouses. Mostly will be hand embroidered in tussar and silk also in cottons and which you can mix and match with various other sarees which you already have in your wardrobe. So let's start watching. 3350. The pallu is in also silver woven, no border, but throughout same butta till the end. Very soft, lightweight, comfortable fabric, ideal for summer with this chandni zari woven blouse piece. So this blouse piece definitely make, because it's a beautiful blouse piece and these silver colors are very rare to find. These brocade blouse, and that also in this range, because if you get to buy them separately, these blouse pieces will be very costly. So along with the sari you're getting it for 3350. Now with this you can always mix and match with our cotton katha blouses. See how lovely this is looking. The sizes are till 38-40. Pure cotton katha blouse, handwork, front and back fully embroidery, 34 to 38-40, and it's 1250 rupees for the blouse, 1250 for the blouse, and the sari I've already told you. We would give first preference to those who will be buying sari along with the blouse. Product number 1. Now product number 2, linen. I'll show you different colors in this sari. Blouses all single piece, but saris there are few pieces, so only sari possible, but only blouse I would give those who would buy along with the sari. This is the blouse, ready-made blouse, pure cotton, and this kind of cotton katha blouses looks really nice in any, with dhakai, with any cotton saris which you have, or even with the silk saris. These look really nice, and see all hand embroidery, hand work in katha. 1250 for the blouse, and the sari I have already told you. This is the pallu, soft pink color, strawberry pink. Along with blouse piece. Now comes the lemonish tone. The pallu is in peachish color, so all the sari blouse, pallu and the blouse will be slightly in contrast along with the silver zari, and with this, see this blouse. This katha stitch threadwork blouse in, these are all golpo katha blouses. These are folk embroidery done. Golpo katha blouses, 1250 for the cotton ones. And here this is the blouse piece for the sari. Product number 4, grayish color, grey and silver, textured pallu, and of course this will have this silver blouse piece. This is the sari blouse, and yes, you can see our silk blouse piece, 1900. Yes, why this is, because this is art silk, this is not Bangalore silk, hence it's 1900. The Bangalore silk and the tussar ones are 2650. So you see, these are the little difference in prices where you can understand the why the price is different, because Sanskriti will definitely tell you what the exact fabric is. It's so good fabric, you won't understand whether it's Bangalore silk. Even if I tell you Bangalore silk, I know you will trust me, but we won't. We will exactly tell you the fabric it is. It's art Bangalore silk, art silk fabric, but good, definitely good quality with cotton lining, front and back fully work. It's reverse katha and 1900 price for this Rani color blouse piece. And yes, as I said, this will look very nice with this sari. The Rani color with the silver linen. And this is a sea green tone color. Beautiful shade, very pretty, soothing colors. This is the pallu, peachish. This is the blouse piece in peachish. So basically this is the sari, which is equally very pretty, but just to give it a designer look and a different look, see these combination katha we've done in reverse. This is price rupees 1900 again, because this is art silk, but very skin friendly, because your body will be it's with cotton lining, so it will be very comfortable. This is the reverse katha blouse piece along with the sari. Blouse, ready-made blouse, not piece, ready-made blouse. There is margin inside, you can increase slightly. If not, we have sizes till, as I said, size till 38-40. This is, I done previous many episodes in this Zari Mull, Bengal cotton mull, very soft mull cotton Zari stripe in bottle green. These are very, very comfortable feather light, featherweight saris, which really look nice when you wear it with nice jewelry, and you can really do a lot of fashion, these costume jewelries and designer blouses. Simple saris, but with very, very elegant look. This bottle green color with handmade tassels, lovely piece and very reasonably priced, 1350. Soft, lightweight, very, very, very comfortable, pure cotton mull, and see the grand blouse. This is really a beauty. This is Parsi embroidery hand, Gara Parsi with French knots. These are all French knot, which is very rare nowadays. Very limited karigars get to do all these work. Full work, the back, the sleeves. Here the sleeves, both the sleeves and the back. It's fully thread work, embroidered blouse, which I would request take it with the sari. It will look such a, and all one piece. I know these blouse pieces are one piece. You love the blouse piece. Last time only blouse I had got many orders, but all single piece. 2990 for the pure tussar blouse, full work, hand work, and the sari is 1350 rupees. But I'll give you today many options. I've got lovely pieces today, very nice new shades which were not shown in the other previous episodes, and of course the previous episode colors are also available, the red, the blacks, which I'll be not showing in this episode, but those are also available, which you can mix and match with the blouses. See, this is a lovely lavender color, very soothing lavender color, 1350 Zari Mull, two-tone sari. These have running blouse, but don't make with this the blouse with this. Wear contrast. Wear your printed blouse, wear your contrast blouse if you don't want to buy these. Doesn't matter. With this you can really mix and match. We can wear it with a shirt. See the thread work, hand work in pure tussar. A simple sari 1300 with a blouse piece, and the whole get up will change when you wear it with this. Black with full work, sleeves, The front, the back, full work. 2990. All tussar hand embroidered blouses are 2,990 rupees. Lemon. In case I miss out the product number, it's all going in the screenshot. So you can just have to take the screenshot and WhatsApp to the number provided. I'm not opening the whole sari. See, this is just lemon color. Throughout it's same. It's a lovely sober lemon shade. With turquoise blouse. I've selected this blouse with this sari. It's in turquoise blue color. Hand work. Product number 8. See. Sleeves, the back, the front, full work. 2,990 rupees for the blouse piece. As I said, sari 1,350. Mal zari stripe. Beautiful combination. Purple. Really unique shades. All the colors are just out of the world. You will love the shades. See the combination. Some sober, some bright, some elegant, some classy. Grey color blouse. Silver grey with multiple color thread work. The back, sleeves, all full work. See how nice it's looking with this. 2,990 and 1,350. Now this is number 10. These are basically very lightweight, let me tell you. These are not the very thick fabric. Very soft, it's mull. See the blouse with this. Very cute birds, handwork. If you like them, please leave comment. All my karigars read them with full enthusiasm. And make sure your comments, your compliments reach them. This is the sari and the blouse. 2,990 handwork, all handwork. And the sari is 1,350. Now few more colors. This is a copper brown color, very rare color, very different two-tone. Cute orange tassels. Very pretty color. Very fine zari stripe, and it's woven, so the back side it will not stick to your body, it will not stick to your bangles or anything. All woven within. Pretty cute one. And this blouse. So we see we've taken a lot of time to create each threadwork blouse along with these cottons. So it has taken a lot of time, but the patience, it's worth waiting actually. Handwork, and see the lovely embroidery. See, so much of fully hand gara parsi with French knots. This is the back part, and this is the sleeves. It looks so nice with the sari. Very elegant color combination. Number 12, I've kept it very simple Bengali combination, Lal Shada. It's a whitish off-white color with red, deep red blouse piece. Front, sleeves, back. So you see, when you wear it with this milk white, this is a lovely smart color. It looks so nice with a lot of contrast blouse and any jewelry, lovely. Even full white, it's beautiful. Peach color, very sober, soothing peach color. This is the sari, 1350 rupees, and yes, the Parsi thread work tussar blouse piece. With the tassels, this thread work will really look very nice. You can see the relation. The back, the sleeves, beautiful piece. It's in dark midnight blue with peach sari. Individual saris we will definitely sell. We have stock in these saris, so I'm sure everybody will get there. Whatever color you all want, it is available, and it's always, the weavers are weaving them. More stocks are being woven, so these are available now. Rani color. Blouse. See, these blouses have so many multiple uses. So, suppose you have a lemon color, a white, a brown, any kind of a not too much of loud print, like this sober solid color saris. It looks so nice with these printed tussars. These look nice in handlooms, Dhakais, South cottons, lovely. You can mix and match these blouses with a lot of saris, and also you can wear it as a short top and then wear a shirt and skirt or jeans, whatever. Now coming to stable cotton handloom. Even this I had worn a orangish rust color, that is also available, and again these are the new colors that have been woven. This is the Shoshe Til color, the mustard oil color. Stable cotton handloom. This is, I think, 1500. Let me check the price. In case I miss out the price, it's already given in the description part. This is, yes, this is 1500, right? 1500. See the color, dual tone. Again, very soft, comfortable, very lightweight sari, and with this wine color French knot sari blouse. Again, let me tell you, since these are one pieces, blouse piece, please, I don't want to block them. It will be first come first serve basis. Once I do the confirmation, kindly make the payment as soon as possible, so that there are so many multiple messages that come every minute, so I don't want to others to keep waiting. So if you are confirmed, only then do the booking. This is the back side of the, this is the blouse, sleeves. 1500 for the sari, 2990 for the blouse. Maroon, this is reddish maroon. With kutch work blouse. It's a real beauty. I'll open the blouse. It's in slate color. See the blouse, please. The sleeves. Few like this is with the front and back. The few are which are very heavy work, you don't need the front. Those are front and sleeves, back and sleeves. Like this is front, back and sleeves. So depending on the embroidery, the prices are same. So whatever I'm telling you about the back, whichever the front and back are work. So this is the whole look of the sari and the blouse. Same price for the blouse, 2990. Royal blue. We have two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. And the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. We do ship worldwide. Domestic shippings are also done regularly. And cash on delivery not possible during the Kolkata lockdown. Once the lockdown is, with the local transports are open, we will do cash on delivery in Kolkata with an additional charge. This is also front, back and sleeves work in pista. Royal blue with pista color combination. Very smart. This is also maroon, but the difference is this is with a narrow zari border. Cotton, handloom, zari border. This is price, this is also 1500. And see the blouse for this. Each is a feast for the eyes actually. And it's a pleasure showing you these kind of handwork sari and handwoven saris. These are really, you know, all very traditional products and done with a lot of care and time. And the concept, the colors. Lovely shade of viridian green. Tussar color with blouse. Back and sleeves. Sleeves. The back. 2990. This blouse, sari 1500. Now something that what I am wearing, no, this is a different one. This is the cotton one. This is pure cotton zari check. Solid red color, beautiful red color, pure cotton. Cotton handloom, soft temple border. This is the pallu. Gold zari, beautiful, soft and very comfortable, rich looking. 4,500 rupees, 4,500 for the sari. It has a striped blouse. The body is in checks, zari woven check, and the blouse is in stripes. Red running. Ideal for gifting the brides also. 4,500 rupees. Rich woven, and same the sari, even the mannequin is wearing a similar one, only so fabric is same but the weave is different. This is the in white and red with buta. This is with buta, and this price is same price, 4,500 with buta, temple 4,500 with blouse. This is, and for this sari I've teamed it up with this blouse. This front and back both work. This is the back, this is the sleeves, and this is the front part. It's a beautiful shade of very unique color green. And the mannequin is wearing our costume jewelry. This is also available. This price is rupees 4,500 for the set, and these ready-made blouses are also available. These brocade Chandeli Banarasi silk blouses, ready-made blouses are also available. The sari, as I have already told you, it's 4,500 rupees. And now the silk one that I am wearing, this is in pure matka. Silk matka, raw silk. It's a raw silk, Bengal silk woven, Bengal matka, pure silk matka, checks. I'll show you some beautiful colors. This is turquoise blue, sky blue color, and it's full length. It's a very big, huge length, around 45-46 inches. The width is beautiful shade of aqua turquoise blue color. This is the pallu. And this is price 6,990 rupees, the pure silk, 6,990. This sari will also have a running blouse, very heavy quality silk. This is the stripe running blouse, and with this you can of course wear it with this blouse piece. So the blouse, the sari blouse, since it's a big material, you can make it and wear it with something else, but with this blouse it looks, see, the look itself is changed. It has changed, totally the look has changed. This is a herringbone tussar blouse piece, 2,990, front back full work. Sari price I've already told you. Similarly, even I'm wearing the black one. This is also available, 6,990 rupees, 6,990, black copper gold checks with blouse piece. This sari, jet black, it's available, 6,990. The blouse that I'm wearing, this similar kind of a little different design, these blouses are also available. Now quickly I'll show you the colors in this. Rustish orange. All the colors are very bright. The blouse. See, the look itself changes, front, back and sleeves, full work with orange. See how nice it's looking, the combination. The blouse will give a subtle look with this bright lovely color. Now this is maroon. It's reddish maroon. It's a beautiful rich shade, And since it's pure silk matka, this color is looking so nice. Gorgeous deep red color. With this pure Tussar Katha, Nokshi Katha blouse till size 42. This is 38, 40, 42. No smaller size, till 42 only. 3 sizes. This is one blouse, pure Tussar 2650. This is another option, 2650. Sari 6,990 rupees. The blouses are all same as I had shown you. See the rich pallu. So I am not opening the whole sari. I mean, it's already open, but you can just understand. Oh, this is the blouse piece. Awesome purple. Actually, these matka, these rich colors look very pretty in these. The purple, the maroons, the reds, the turquoise, the black. These colors look really nice in the orange one also. See the color. Just silk and gold combination, beautiful. And see, now I've selected this blouse with this sari, pure Tussar Nokshi Katha blouse. See, just absolutely the look changed. 2 options. $6,990 for the sari blouse. And the last one, I missed out this color before. It's also a beautiful shade. It's the stable handloom which I showed in the previous one. Just I missed out this color, so I just added this one. This is the tassel. It's a beautiful shade of magenta. And with this, you can just check out the silk blouse. It's 1,095 the fabric with thread work, 1 meter. Orange and Rani thread work blouse piece, 1 meter, 1,095, and the sari is 1,500. And the neck piece that I am wearing, the choker, along with this earring, it's 3,500. The neck piece along the choker, actually, it's a pearl setting choker with the earring. It's 3,500. Thank you so much, and I'm sure you will love this episode because all handwork and all exclusive products. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe.